Good evening. Video of the day. Almost forgot today. So where do we start? Mm, all those red lines that you are seeing here are for our support resistances. This is the 15-minute trading chart, but I'm going to put you on the 4-hour trading chart so you see where all those red lines come from. Are those all those weeks there, all those closes there, you know. They are creating those red lines that you see in the 15-minute chart. So it's quite heavy resistance going on there. So and we are trying to breach that as we're going to the upside, but this is difficult. This is 4-hour resistance. Uh, so let's see. So yeah, so in the morning, oops, in the morning we were just around this zone the whole morning. Nothing really going on here because you cannot do nothing. You cannot go long while you don't pass this, and you cannot short while you don't come below this. So yeah. But anyway, for the ones that were trading in the morning, this was quite good because we breached this down. We breached this down here, and that was. You see, I have three red lines there. That's the last resistance. And soon as we do this retrace and start moving down again, this would have been a great short there. Yeah, I was not yet. That was London. I was not yet in the computer. When I got to the computer, we were around this range here at the bottom. And so yeah, we just hit this last support here, and we are just consolidating before going down or before going up. We went up. I had this box, which is like the box of zone of resistance. The last is that last week there, and my pending order were just above the last week there. So yeah, it was a great trade because it was a bit stressful because when I entered, price came all the way back down. And yeah, tough one, really tough. But in the end, it went up, and yeah. Anyway, very tough trade this one, let me tell you. I could have been stopped for a lot more. My stop was just below here, but I could have been stopped for. Yeah, if my stop is hit here, it's a lot of pips. It's like 20 something pips. So very risky stuff, you know. And in the end, I just took like 16 or 17 there. But anyway, that's how it was. Yeah. And it was a very successful trade in the end. So, and we had no more chances of jumping in all through this bullish momentum. So just here in the end. So we breach the last one. We come back and we test the support again. And after breaching the high of that candle, yeah, I just jumped in again. And yeah, I just took 12 pips there. 12 pips. So this was a very smooth one, very, very stress free. This was a very good one. And after that, price just came back all the way down again, without even giving the chance of jumping in. Anyway, you cannot jump in while you are. No, no. This is too bullish. You got to see the momentum going down. And even though you breach this low here, you can stop here. You can stop in this zone. You can stop here. It's yeah, it's difficult, very difficult. So yeah, but the answer is there was no much of a chance to jump. There was no resistance form. It was just straight going down, as it was straight going up. So yeah, that's just a little trading here. But I was not trading anymore, which is when we bounce from this zone here, and it's yeah. So we just kind of bounce off this blue blue support there, And we do a bullish candle here, and maybe if when we breach the high of this bullish candle, maybe this is kind of a 10 pip trade maybe. But again, it was late already. It was not really worth it. So anyway, that was my two trades today, and they were successful, so I'm very happy for the day. Anyway, see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Cheers.